find vegetables and so on. And
Yeah, here
lo
he
and behold, there he
comes.
comes. Yeah,
He's a
there he comes.
decent-sized elephant bull. So you were trying to keep him out by positioning your vehicles in the way you had done so.
It was just chance. It just happened that way. We put them like that and then heard about it. And I thought, okay, there well, he's going to go past us now.
Yeah. Well,
But he
everyone's
changed
looking
his.
quite relaxed at the moment.
Yeah, yeah.
And elephant is what? Is he looking for some food? Has he actually been in before, or was this the first time?
Not, we just arrived that day. We hadn't seen him before. Um,
Okay, well, he's a decent-sized fellow, and we'll notice in a moment when we can see. I'm thinking this is you on the chair shortly coming up in frame. Is that going to
yeah, the
be
two of us.
in a moment? There we go. That's you with the
Yeah,
hat on.
that's. I just got. Yes, that's right. That's me with the lion on my chest. I think that's what kept him
And
in. At bay.
that bag there, the elephant's picking up, is just a bag of rubbish, a bag of tins or
But yeah,
something.
that's right. Rubbish bag. And just now he'll pick up one of my jackets, which I valued and treated with disdain.
Okay, now, Mike, we're going to pause it here in a second. Just give me one more second. How are you feeling right there? Right there, Mike.
Yeah, I was feeling okay. You know, we decided not to move because we thought that might startle him, and I just breathed slowly and deeply and hope he didn't drink my gin.
Well, you're looking very relaxed. The gentleman on your left, is he as relaxed as you?
I think so.
I think you did the right move by just sitting very still because very sudden
Yeah,
movements can cause them to react in a certain way. So by his behavior, he's looking very relaxed here. This is your jacket moment, am I right?
yeah, that's right.
Very inquisitive, sniffing and smelling. He clearly wants to try and grab something. Jacket's not interesting. He comes back again for a second round, and now your heart rate has increased a little bit more at this point.
Yes, I wasn't taking my pulse, I can tell you.
You haven't really looked at him. They're a little bit out the corner of your eye. But, I mean, he's a monster when you look at him in context to this vehicle. And then this lady here, the blue hat, she looks a little bit a little bit more concerned than you did.
Yeah, no, she was a bit more nervous than we were. And I think what offended her was that he was fiddling with her son's truck